What's up, Curly Crew? Good morning, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. For you guys that are just joining me for the first time, my name is Edwin. I'm the founder and formulator at Curl Daddy, and today we're going to talk about how to refresh your hair in the morning with just an oil, right? But before we get into it, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel and give me some love, give me some love, give me some love. I would appreciate it. So we love oils. One of the things that I love to apply to my hair and my scalp is oil, but it's important to also understand that a lot of oil on your hair and your scalp is not good for you, right? Because oils and serums tend to expand when you apply it, so a little goes a long way. Obviously, you guys can see in the morning I do sleep with a satin lime beanie to restore moisture. It's been a game changer in my curly hair journey, and I cannot live without it. But once you take the beanie out, obviously depending on how you sleep, your hair gets a bit flat, and we're going to really style it and use an oil. There's two ways that you can use an oil. You can either, for your scalp, right, you have to apply it to your scalp, right? Sometimes you have the droppers, which are amazing. We have the Revitalize Me Scalp Oil by Curl Daddy. We did it in a dropper. I just love droppers because they're easy to apply on your scalp. But if you don't have a dropper and you have more of a spray, you can spray it on your fingertips and really massage your scalp. Think circulation. This is going to help promote hair growth. Another way is to really apply it to your entire hair, right? But you have to focus on your ends. Your ends is the oldest, most fragile, driest part of your hair. So it's important to really pay attention to your ends as well. So I'm going to use our Glow Me Up oil. I'm just gonna spray. It smells like heaven. I'm gonna spray a little bit, and I'm going to distribute it evenly on my hands, and then I'm going to really go into my scalp, right? Again, I did not apply a lot of oil because we don't want greasy hair vibes. So we want the benefits, but we don't want too much oil. I've seen a lot of you guys out there with greasy hair vibes. It's coming like dripping off. That is not good for your scalp. So we're going to massage it. And at the same time, I'm really waking up the hair, right? Just takes a minute of your time. And then I'm gonna spray a little. You see how like I still have oil in my hands. I'm gonna get a little bit more. This smells like heaven, guys. And I'm going to pay attention to the ends, right? Pay attention to the ends. And again, give it some shape. Sometimes I do use a pick. Sometimes I just use my hands to, we don't want to waste any product, right? And that's all you need. Shape it up, right? Give it some shape, give it some shape. And that's all you need, guys. It literally took me 5 minutes. I'm just gonna have to I have very, very dry hair. But again, you did not need a ton of oil. You still have some here, right? We don't wanna waste it. So I'm gonna apply it to my body because the Glow Me Up oil is hair and body. It's a whole situation for body. So you guys can see it's not greasy, it still looks shiny. It's not overwhelming. There's still oil on the scalp, there's still oil on the hair. It's doing its thing. And this is what it looks like, guys. I hope that this inspires you guys to take care of your crown, what's coming out of your scalp, because it is beautiful the way that it is. It's important to understand, guys, that you have to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself, because everything you apply to yourself is absorbed into your body, right? Everything that you apply to yourself is absorbed into your body. So plant-based, vegan, 100% natural is the way to go when it comes to hair care. It's not only gonna help your scalp and your hair, but your skin, your body, but most importantly, the environment. If you guys are interested in any of the products by Curl Daddy, make sure you check us out at curldaddy.com. I appreciate you guys. Be safe, take care, and remember, guys, to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself, all right? Make sure you subscribe, give me some love, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace and love.